Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Detail Envy. Today we're taking you on a ride in 2016 Porsche GT3 RS. Taking up, dropping it off, heading up to Proton on the north side of Indianapolis.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the I-65 north ramp.
Right about now. Gotta get over real quick.
Continue on I-65 north for 4 miles.
This thing handles like amazing. It is insane. About to pull on 65 right now. Gonna get into it here in a second. You can hear that $12,000 exhaust. Get on right now. Woo! Woo! That is awesome. Full-blown race car. This thing handles absolutely amazing. Wow. That exhaust is worth every single dollar. Wow. Looking for a straightaway here.